Hi and welcome to the XReview. My name is Paul, and in this video I'm going over the Prince's chicken in white sauce tin. Now this one, how much did it cost? This cost £1.19. So let's see how we get on with this. So on a ring pull, so it's not going to be that difficult to get in if you have nails. Here we go. I have to say I'm not pleasantly surprised by the smell of that whilst it's cold. It doesn't taste that nice cold at all. No. Although it's very chickeny in flavour, so it's full of stock. Got to be. Right. So let's see what we got in there. Water and chicken 34%. Milk 9%, chicken fat, obviously the stock, wheat, flour, iron, all the other modified bullshit that goes into it. But now artificial preservatives or colours, that's good. This tin contains 2 servings, and we've got 1.5 grams of salt, which is really good if you compare it to the 6 grams of the one. If you compare it to the salt of this one, so actually no, more. Oh no, this is per can. This is per half can. So yes, misleading, but you have to be careful what you're reading. So 1.5 grams for the whole tin, so that's not too bad. But as I said, I actually haven't got high hopes over this when I heat it up, so let's check it out, shall we? Right, so here we go. Nice and hot. See what it's like. Well, first of all, before I even try it, the chunks of chicken in there are quite sizable, so that's good. That's what you're paying for, £1.19. It does taste salty. It's not the nicest thing I've ever had. In fact, it's quite bland. It tastes like milky chicken soup with no seasoning. Yeah, it's not the best. It's not the worst. It is premium grade because you got proper chunks of chicken in there, and not God knows what. Not a Frankenstein cacophony of crap, but put it this way, say there's 2 of you in the house and you bought a tin of this each, it'll be cheaper to buy a packet of cheap chicken and make your own sauce, because the sauce is essentially milk and flour and butter. That's all it is. And with the lack of seasoning, yeah. I give this like a 5.5 out of 10. Yeah, mainly because of the saltiness and blandness to it. Right, so let us know what you think in the comment section below. Would you go for that? Would you pay £1.19 for a tin of gloopy white milky chicken soup? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't already done so, you can check us out on Facebook, Parler and Twitter. And I shall catch you next time.